Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at euro currency. So euro actually has completed the targets that we have specified in the last weekend, so it even has climbed slightly higher. But as we said in Friday video, that hardly market will be able to hold at these levels just because of the strong overbought area on the weekly chart. So this is even not the daily, this is the weekly overbought. The market definitely will have the problems with the moving above our estimated sale. So if you remember, we said that, well, 1260 was our last target on the daily chart. It was intraday minor A, B, C bottom XOP was standing here. All other targets, including this A, B, C, D, OP, and some other targets was slightly lower, so around 1230, 1240. As you can see, as a result of the week, indeed, this market has dropped from the top back to the 1289, 1290 level. Next destination point in the longer term, if we will consider it's possible upward continuation someday in the future, so it will be XOP, it's 1550. We hope that the fundamental background that we have currently in the euro should be sufficient to support medium-term upward continuation somewhere to this level. That's also, by the way, guys, is the yearly pivot resistance one, so you could take a look at it in our weekly report where we discuss the monthly chart analysis. This stuff is also extremely important for us, but all this stuff will be in the somewhere in the future. Currently, we're mostly interested with the situation that market stands right now. On the weekly chart, price stands in a strong resistance. So this is the overbought that we already talked about, but also market stands near weekly confluence resistance. It means that the current situation is not a good point for taking the new long positions, and we need to get some pullback at least below the weekly overbought area. Another question is how market will react on the confluence resistance. It also could bring the problem in the future, so because market will have to break through it to reach the XOP target. Or better to say, XOP stands at the upper border of this confluence resistance, so it's really wide because it's the weekly chart, but the XOP creates an agreement with the upper border of this confluence. So next week we will be focused on the pullback and some retracement up from this level. In general, we have here, in addition to all the resistance that we have on the weekly, here we have wide gorgeous triple to sell pattern. So we have this first swing, this initial drop, ABCD retracement inside of it. This is gorgeous triple to sell. Minimum target of this pattern, as you know, is the 30% retracement up from the top of the ABCD action. That stands at 1097. It's approximately 111. So this level we could consider as the minimal object of the possible pullback that could happen on the next week. This level, as you can see, also confluence support. It includes two levels. Former top B point. It's also add natural support feature to this level. And take a look, this will be green line as weekly pivot support one. So as you can see, that probably will be our primary level to consider possible taking on the long position. That's actually what we'll be watching for. Additionally, we could keep an eye on 1187 because there's a 30% support. Market could show some reaction on it. That could be the background for the brand body trade that we discussed on Friday as well. So we have a great thrust up here. And touching of this 1187 could happen the significant pullback. And here we also could consider taking on the long position for a very fast trade. The 618 pullback of the possible downward action. Mostly available on intraday charts. So these two trading setups that we consider on the next week. So as a perfect shape, as we suggest, it should be reaching 1187. first trade, upward pullback, then downward continuation to the confluence, where we consider taking the long position for a longer perspective, and then we hope that will be upward continuation. That's the perfect scenario that we will take a look. How it will happen in the reality, so for that purpose we have the daily videos where we could update the situation depending on the price behavior around every support that we take into consideration. On the intraday chart, guys, well, currently theoretically it's possible for taking some shorts position if you trade on the intraday charts, if you would like to take it short. But two things that you should know. First of all, you will have to sell against the major tendency, which is per se is very, very dangerous. Second, if you still would like to do this, definitely you have to get clear bearish reversal pattern on your back. It will be big advantage to you because you will be able to place tight stop based on the pattern. And taking into consideration that you are going against the major tendency, that will be very helpful to minimize the potential risk. And also, if you would like to short here, take the short positions, do not marry any trade. Take very fast and near standing targets. On the intraday chart, guys, currently we do not have something to talk about, so you can see market keeps nice trend line since our major point is 109. Right from here, and probably to confirm the reversal, market will have to break it first before we could speak on a major on our strategies that we have discussed. So for taking the short position, as I said, you have to get some pattern. So currently I do not see something really valuable here except minor divergence that we have, and that's all. That's definitely not enough for taking the short position. So if you do not want to take the short position, so for us the major scenario is waiting, just sitting on the hands and waiting when the market will start to hit our levels, where we should get the trading steps. So that's our view on the EUR.